period, Poohs. Y'all don't get tired of me saying that, but it's okay. It's okay. Just drink every time you hear me say period, Poohs. You know what I'm saying? You drink.
I get a check now. I can flex if you wanna. Sun down to sun up. In the back of the phone, the money I get, I spend. Serving lanes in the bands. Plain Jane for the rich.
It's your boo, it's your bae, it's your girl Dejanay, and I'm back here with another video. And today we are getting ready with me. Why was I so slow? So I'm showing you guys my flawless get ready with me, and it really started off with the everyday look, and then you know me, I'm extra. So I did a glam look, and I was gonna wear lashes, but you're gonna wait to the end to figure out why I didn't wear lashes. Thank you, Latoya Bishop. That's why I'm not wearing lashes. Wait to the end of this video and you'll know why. I really don't have much to say. We really could just jump into the video. I'm just giving you guys tips basically on how to get a flawless face, different techniques that I've acquired and learned over time and taught myself, and also learned from others that has helped me to like get my makeup this point. I still have a long way to go. I'm not saying like my makeup's extremely, you know, just but you know what I'm saying, I get a lot of compliments. I get people be really begging me to beat their face, but I have not acquired as much makeup as I want to become a freelance artist. Maybe I should just really start, because I have a lot of people who do what I do. I do choose, you know, like my friends and family who make up I do. So yeah, I do that. I think I'm gonna do prom next year. I'm gonna get myself ready for next year prom. But anyway, like I was saying, comment, like, subscribe, guys. Hit that post notification button and just join the family. Like, join the JDG gang, the Dejanay gang. Like, we lit over here, popping. What's popping? Anyway, we're gonna get right into this look. Period, Pooh. Yeah, I love you guys. See you. So to get, like, I don't wear makeup every day, like I already said, but to get a flawless face and to have, like, you know what I'm saying, like I said, a flawless face, I always start off by first washing my face, and then I put some vitamin C oil on right afterwards, because you know I just wanted to absorb in my skin, and I have combination skin, so some of my skin gets dry, some of my skin gets oily, but I just rather moisturize my skin as a whole first and then go in with like a shine control primer when I get ready to put my makeup on. So I've already kind of filled in my brows. Well, I did fill in my brows with the Good Pooh Brow Benefit Brow Pencil, and this is number 5. So it's just this little pencil. I'm pretty sure everybody has heard or seen this pencil before. Right here, this is a step that has helped me in a long run with my brows and just foundation, period. And it's just doing my brows using these 2 brushes. So I usually like to take the concealer and take this little brush right here. So let me get some makeup on the brush. Yeah, so this brush. And I like to kind of get the excess product off. Let me show you. So I like to get some off, dab the excess product off. And I like to go in and start with my brows. So I'm going to be looking a little bit to this way because that's where my mirror is. But here you go. And another trick I recommend is to blend downwards when you're finished. A lot of people, I don't know what y'all do, but so one day our good friend, she called me up. She's learning how to do her makeup, and she was doing her makeup, and she was just like, girl, when it comes to me after I outline my brows, I never know how to blend it out. Like, of course, I'm pretty sure a lot of people use this small little brush to blend the concealer out, but let's be honest, blending this concealer out is not a small little space. So I like to take a setting brush, and I have 2. I'm probably gonna buy like 4 more, because these are good blending brushes. Like, they might be setting brushes, but they blend phenomenally. So I like to take it, and this is how I blend out that concealer around my eye, and my eyebrow. And excuse my little crusty wig, it doesn't look like that in person, but on camera it just looks so white at the head part, and I don't know. Period, boo. So this Urban Decay Quick Fix, I like it. It has coconut water in it and it smells amazing. Doesn't taste that good. I put a couple sprays on my face to blend in my foundation, because on a typical flawless everyday, or if I just want flawless makeup period, whatever, it doesn't really matter how much foundation I put on, but what matters is that I use the Urban Decay, and it matters that I also use this brush, because a lot of people don't like using brushes because they're like, oh, it's gonna leave behind stipples, you know, they don't leave behind a brush stroke, it's not gonna look as natural. Oh my god, y'all, this brush, I think it's the way I pat it into my skin with everything. So I only put on a little foundation because honestly a little goes a long way, and for flawless face I don't want a whole lot of shit on my face. You know what I'm saying? Period, Poohs. And then I'll take that same brush, the same nigga I was rocking with, and I'll pat it into my skin like this. So now that I have my foundation on, I'm just gonna go in with my regular schmegler concealer, and so to achieve that flawless look, this damn brush, let me tell y'all, get into this brush, okay? Now I do have multiple of these brushes because I fucking love these brushes. They are the best. But if you don't have multiple brushes, use a little bit of alcohol and don't put it on your brush. Put it on a paper towel and, you know, rub your brush like this, and it'll literally clean whatever product that you just had on there off. So I recommend doing that if you don't have multiple of these brushes and you want to switch it up to use it for something else. So now I like to go in back with that brush and just kind of put everything together. So next step to flawless makeup, of course, is baking. But I think we've gotten too far into the world of baking to where, unless you like doing some heavy duty makeup, I guess, and you're like about to go out, I still don't recommend you to bake. Like, it's out. So what I like to basically do is take my powder and do my brush, kind of like dip it in there, get my powder in there good on my brush, a little tap tap, and then I like to do this. It's all about that. I think it's about the patting motion, like the patting. So next I want to contour, and I'm gonna go in with this Blake Radiance medium to dark. And I personally, because I am darker, because it is medium to dark, I have to just take the contour color and I like to pat it. So from here, you are smooth sailing, hunty. I really don't do anything to my eyes, but go over them like this to kind of get the shine away, because I don't want any shine on my eyes. No shine. No shine. I don't want no shine. And then last but not least, surprise, surprise, All Night Spray by Urban Decay. And I just like to use both of them as a duo because it does work well. So we're gonna let that dry real quick. So now that my face is 70% dry, I like to go in with Dejanay's Cosmetics highlighter in Galleria. And I like to take my other brush, my clean brush, and then get a little highlighter or a lot depending on that day. Period, Pooh. And then last but not least, I like to throw me some and that is my everyday flawless face. I basically use those same techniques for a glam face to get this face smell, let my skin dry 100%, because as you see, it's not fully dry. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back and do the outro and film the intro, and we're gonna get up out of here, you know what I'm saying? So since our face is starting to dry, I would say it's like 75% dry, I'm gonna let it dry the rest of the way, then I'll come back so y'all can see the flawless face. Period, please. So guys, I had got really glam for y'all. As y'all see, I put on some extra highlighter, I did a little extra-ness, and I did my stuff. You know, I just put it all together for you guys. I go to get my lashes and put my lashes on. I remembered Sunday I let my auntie Latoya, I let you borrow my lash glue and you didn't give it back, honey. So now I'm lashless. So this is what we looking like. We're lashless today, but it's straight. It's cool. It's cool. It's all good. You know, we still look good. It's all good in the hood. This is basically my flawless makeup look. I've actually been wearing it for about an hour and a half. This is what my makeup looks like after an hour and a half. Period, y'all don't get tired of me saying it, but it's okay. It's okay. Just drink every time you hear me say period, Pooh. You know what I'm saying? You drink. So I'm pretty sure y'all drunk at this point, and I'm done at this point. There's really nothing else more I can show you guys. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boo, it's your bae, it's your girl Dejanay, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.